Welcome to Asian Steno classes. Exercise 2 Dictation Start. While evolving, revise pay scale in respect of different categories of teachers. Two categories of teachers were mentioned. Inter alia laid down the requirement of the academic qualification in their case. Full stop. It would not have been intended by the government that on their acquisition of higher academic qualifications, various categories of teachers in the lower grades shall automatically be placed in different higher grades, commensurate with their academic qualification. Full stop. Normally, pay scales of various categories of post in any department are sanctioned, keeping in view the minimum qualification required for each categories of post. Full stop. Similarly, the teaching posts are sanctioned for various education institutions, keeping in view the subject and classes. The incumbent of these posts are required to teach, and for that specific qualifications are prescribed in the service rules as well as at the time of requirement. Full stop. As the instructions contained in the aforementioned letter did not bring out the intentions of the government in unambiguous terms, it resulted in different interpretations, automatic grant of higher scales of pay on basis of qualification irrespective of the number of posts available in the department in that category. Full stop. In a number of cases, some teachers who were denied such higher grades on their acquiring higher qualifications sought redress, even though judicial pronouncements. Full stop. Although the government had to grant the higher scales of pay in such cases in view of the present working of the instructions referred above, yet it was never its intention to undertake the continuing unintended and heavy financial burden that has developed on it because of the faulty framing of the aforementioned instructions. Full stop. Para. In order to ensure that these unintended and large financial implications do not continue arising in future, the whole matter has been reconsidered by the government. Stop. As a result of this reconsideration, the governor is pleased to order that henceforth the teachers of the education department shall not become entitled to be placed in the higher scales of pay automatically on their improving acquiring higher qualifications during the course of their service. Full stop. The master and teacher in the education department will be placed in the scales of pay of their respective categories to which they are appointed against the sanction post and mere possession acquisition of higher qualification prescribed for other categories of post will not entitle them to automatically claim higher pay scales. Full stop. However, in order to avoid discrimination between teachers who have already been allowed higher scales of pay on account of having improved their qualification, and those who have not been allowed this benefit even though they also possess higher qualifications. It is decided that all teachers in the education department who have improved their qualification before the issue of this letter may be allowed the benefit of higher scale of pay on the basis of their qualification. Stop. This benefit shall not be allowed to those who are appointed or improve their qualifications after the issue of this letter. Para close.